Hello children, welcome to the online maths class at BMS School at home. Children, in the last class we learned the number pattern, isn't it? So what is number pattern? Yeah, the list of numbers that follows a certain sequence, isn't it? And also we did some exercise related to number pattern. In today's class, we are going to learn about the comparison of numbers. So children, what is comparison? Comparison means we can compare two numbers to find which one is greater or which one is smaller or equal. Okay, ma? For example, children, consider these two pens and find which one is greater and which one is smaller. So what do you do first? Yeah, you want to compare these two pens. Okay, so first you have to join these two pens and find it. Okay, so here which one is greater? Yeah, the black pen is the greater and the blue pen is smaller. Okay ma? So like this, now we are going to compare the 4-digit numbers. Okay ma? Now let us see. Children, comparison of numbers. What is comparison? We can compare two numbers to find out which number is greater and which number is smaller or which number is equal. Okay ma? So we are using 3 sign to compare the 4-digit numbers, that is greater than, less than or equal to. Okay ma? So we are using 3 sign to compare the numbers, that is greater than, less than or equal to. Okay ma'am? Now children, let's compare 4-digit numbers. Okay, two 4-digit numbers, that means 1234 and 234. Okay ma'am? So children, please find which is the greatest number. Which is the greatest number in these two numbers? So children, to compare two numbers, you have to follow two steps. Okay, children, first find the number of digit in the first number. Okay, so count it 1 2 3 4. Okay, so the first number has 4 digit and the second number has 1 2 3 digit. Okay ma? So children, the first number has 4 digit and the second number has 3 digit. Okay, so children, which one is greater, 3 or 4? Yes, the 4 is greater, isn't it ma? So we conclude that the 1234 is greater than 243. Okay children? Okay, now let's look at one more example, that is 2695 and 2636. Okay ma? So children, what is the rule 1 says that? Yeah, count the number of digit in both numbers. Okay, so count the number of digit. The first number 1 2 3 4. Okay, this number has 4 digit, and count the number of digit in the second number 1 2 3 4. Okay, so both numbers has same digit, isn't it? So now go for the next rule. Okay ma? So the rule number 2 says that if the 2-digit number have the same number of digit, then compare the digit in the highest place value. Okay ma? If the two numbers have the same digit value, compare the numbers in the highest place value. Okay, so that you have to first write the place value box. So how many digit does this numbers have? 4 digit. Okay, so write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands. Okay ma? So in the first number, Which number is in ones place? Yeah, 5. And tens place 9. 100 place 6 and thousand place 2. Okay children. Now second number, the ones place value is 6 and tens place value is 3 and 100 place value is 6 and thousand place value is 2. Okay ma? So children, now compare the highest place value of these two numbers. Okay, so children, here the highest place value is 1000, isn't it? But both the number have the same values. Okay, but in the highest place both the numbers have same values, so you can't find which one is greater. Okay ma? So that you can compare the digit in the next highest place. Okay ma? So you can go for the next highest place value for these two numbers. Okay, so compare it, these two numbers. Again the 100 place values for these two number is same. Okay ma? So again you can go for the next highest place value and compare the two numbers. Okay, so here the tens place value for first number is 9 and the tens place value for second number is 3. Okay ma? So 9 and 3. So which is greater, 3 or 9? 9 is greater. Okay ma? So we conclude that the 2695 is greater than 2636. Okay ma? 2695 is greater than 2636. Okay children, now let's do the next problem. 4003, 4003. Okay children. So children, if you want to compare the two numbers, what is the first rule says that? Yeah, count the number of digit in both number. So count it. The first number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 digit number, and the second number also 4 digit numbers. Okay. So if both the numbers, the digit is same, you have to find the highest place value of these two numbers. Okay ma? So this is 4 digit number. So you have to write ones, tens, hundreds and thousands place value. Okay. So the first number, the ones place value is 3 and tens place value is 0, 100 place value is 0 and 1000 place value is 4. Okay. And for the second number also, the ones place value is 3, the tens place value is 0, 100 place value is 0 and the 1000 place value is 4. Okay ma? Now children, what is the second rule says that? Yeah, compare the digit in the highest place value for both the numbers. Okay, so here the first number, the highest place value is 4, that means 1000 place value is 4, and the second number also the 1000 place value is 4. Okay, so go for the next highest place value. So the next highest digit is 100 and the 100 place value for the first number is 0 and second number is 0. Okay, so both are same. Then if both are same means, yeah, again you can go to the next highest place values. Okay, so here the next highest place is 10. So the tens place value for first number is 0 and second number is also 0. So if the tens place values are same, again you go and check the next highest place value, that is ones. Check the ones place value. The ones place value for first number is 3 and second number is also 3. So both the numbers are equal. Okay ma? So you can write the symbol 4003 is equal to 4003. Okay ma? Okay children, now let's do some more examples. The first number is 1234 and 2324. Okay, so compare these two numbers and find which one is greater and which one is smaller. So what do you want to do first? Yeah, follow the rules. Okay, to find which one is greater and which one is smaller, follow the rules. Okay, what does the first rule says that? Yeah, count the number of digit in both the numbers. Okay, and the number that has more digit is greater. Okay, so the first number is 4-digit number and the second number is also 4-digit. Okay, so if the two numbers have the same number of digit, what do you want to do next? Yeah, then compare the digit in the highest place value. Okay, so here the highest place value is 1000. Okay, 1000, hundreds, tens and ones. Okay ma? So here the highest place value is 1000. Now children, compare the 1000 place value for both the digit. Yeah, so 1 is greater or 2 is greater? 2 is greater. Okay ma? So we conclude that the 2324 is greater than the 1234. Okay ma? Now let's do the next one. 9909, 9099. Okay children, so here the both the number have same digit, so you can check the highest place value. The highest place value is 1000. Here the 1000 place value for both the number is same. Okay ma? So next check the 100 place values for both the numbers. Here the first number is 9, the 100 place value is 9, and the second number, the 100 place value is 0. Okay, so which one is greater, 9 or 0? Yeah, 9. So we know that the 9909 is greater than 9099. Okay ma? Now let's see the next one. 1010, 1100. Okay ma? Both the numbers have same digit, so please check the highest place value. Here the both the number, the highest place value is 1000. So check the 1000 place values number for both the digit. The first numbers, the 1000 place value is 1 and the second number also the 1000 place value is 1. So go and check the 100 place value for both the numbers. Okay, the first number, the 100 place value is 0 and the second number, the 100 place value is 1. So children, which one is greater, 0 or 1? 1 is greater. Okay ma? So we know that the 1100 is greater than the 1010. Okay, now children, look at the next question. Children, here both the digits are same, so you have to first check the 1000 place values for both the numbers. The first number 1000 place value is 6 and the second number also the 1000 place value is 6. So next check the 100 place values. Okay, the first number, the 100 place value is 2 and the second number, the 100 place value is 6. Okay, so children, compare 2 and 6. Which one is greater? Yeah, 6 is greater. Okay ma? So we know that the 6620 is greater than the 6260. Okay, now children, let's do the next problem, that is 5100 and 5010. Okay, both the numbers having the same digit, so check the 1000 place values for both the numbers. The 1000 place values also same, so check the 100 place value. The 100 place values for first number is 1 and the 100 place values for second number is 0. Okay, so which one is greater, 1 or 0? 1 is greater. So we know that the 5100 is greater than 5010. Okay ma. Now let's see the next question. 999, 9999. Okay children. Now children, first count the number of digit in both the numbers. Okay, so the first number is 3-digit number and the second number is 4-digit numbers. Okay ma, this is 3-digit number and this is 4-digit number. So which one is greater, 3-digit or 4-digit? 4-digit number is greater. Okay, so we conclude that the 9999 is greater than 999. Okay ma. Then next question, 787 and 7787. Okay ma. So count the number of digit in both the numbers. This number is 3-digit number and this number is 4-digit number. Okay ma. So which one is greater? Yeah, 4-digit number is greater than 3-digit. Okay, so we conclude that the 7787 is greater than 787. Okay, now next question, 7087 and 7807. Okay, so first step is count the number of digit in both the numbers. Okay, so this number have 4-digit and this number also have 4-digit. So if both the numbers have same digit, check the highest place value. Okay, so the both number, the highest place value is 1000. So check the 1000 place values for both the numbers. The first number is 7 and the second number, the 1000 place value is also 7. So the 1000 place values is same for both the numbers. Then what do you want to do? Yes, check the 100 place values for both the numbers. The first number, the 100 place value is 0 and the second number, the 100 place value is 8. Okay ma. So children, which one is greater, 0 or 8? Yeah, 8 is greater. Okay, so we conclude that the 7807 is greater than 7087. Okay ma. So children, the next question is, circle the greatest and underline the smallest number in this following numbers. Okay, circle the greatest and underline the smallest number. Okay children. So children, first what do you want to do first? Yeah, if you want to find the greatest number, first count the number of digit in all the numbers. Okay, so count the number of digit. All the numbers have 4-digit numbers. Okay, so what do you want to do next? Yes, you can compare the digit in the highest place value. Okay, so children, compare the digit in the highest place value. The first number is 4, the second number is 5, next number is also 5, and next number is 4, next number is also 4, and next number is also 4 in the 1000 place values. Okay, so which one is greater, 4 or 5? 5, isn't it? But children, in 5 there is 2 numbers. Okay, so what do you want to do next? Yeah, compare the digit in the next highest place value. Okay, so children, in these 2 numbers, the next highest place value is 100 and the value of each number is 6. Okay, so what do you want to do next? Yeah, go for the next highest place value, that is 10th place value. Okay ma. The first number, the 10th place value is 1 and the second number, the 10th place value is 8. Okay, so which one is greater, 1 or 8? 8 is greater. Okay ma. So the greatest number in this series is 5689. Okay, so circle this. Then find the smallest one. Okay ma. So to find the smallest one, you have to find with the number of digit. Okay, so here all the numbers, there is 4-digit number Okay children, next check the highest place value. Here the highest place value is 5. Okay, so but we want to find the small one. Okay, so 5 is greater or 4 is greater? 5 is greater and 4 is smaller. Okay, but here there is 4 digit numbers are there. Okay, and also the 4 numbers, the thousand place value is 4. Okay ma? So children, what do you want to do next? Yeah, next check their 100 place value for all these numbers. Okay, so the first number, the 100 place value is 5, and the second number, the 100 place value is 6, and the third number, the 100 place value is 8, and the fourth number, the 100 place value is 2. Okay ma? So children, here which one is the smallest number among this? 5, 6 or 8 or 2? Yeah, 2 is the smallest number among these. Okay, so now children, the 100 place value for 2 is belongs to this number. Okay, 4261. So the smallest 4 digit number among this is 4261. So please underline this. Check the next question. Okay, so children, here also you have to find the greatest number and also find the smallest number. Okay ma? So what do you want to do first? Yes, count the number of digit, all the numbers. Here all the numbers are having 4 digit. Okay, so what do you want to do next to find the greatest number? Yes, check their highest place value. All the number, the highest place value is 1000. Here the first number, the highest place value is 8, and the second number, the highest place value is 9, 8, and the third number, the highest place value is 6, and fourth number also 6, fifth number 8, and the last number also 8. Okay children, so among this, which is the highest value? 6, 9 or 8? Yes, 9 is the highest value. So we know that the 9386 is the greatest value in this series. Okay. Now children, let's find which one is the smallest. 8, 9 or 6? Yes, 6. Okay. Here the two numbers, the thousand place value is same. That means 6 and 6. Okay, so what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their 100 place value. Okay, so children, here the 100 place values for both the numbers is also 7 and 7. Okay children, and what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their tens place value. Again the tens place value for both the number is same, that is 8 and 8. So what do you want to do next? Yes, check their ones place value. The ones place value for the first number is 6 and the second number is 7. So which one is smaller, 6 or 7? 6 is smaller. Okay ma? So we conclude that 6786 is the smallest number among these numbers. Okay ma? Okay children, now let's find the next one. That means circle the numbers less than 1536. Okay, less than means smaller. So children, what do you want to do first? Count the number of digit in all the numbers. Okay, so children, here all the options have same number of digit. Okay, so what do you want to do next? Check their thousand place value. Here all the numbers have the same values in the thousand place. Okay, so what do you want to do next? Yeah, check their 100 place value. The first number 100 place value is 3, and second number the 100 place value is 6, and third number the 100 place value is 5, and the fourth number the 100 place value is 3. Okay, so here the question is circle the number that are less than 1536. So here the first number is 1. So but the options, all the numbers have the same thousands value. So we go for the next place value, that is 100. The 100 place value for this number is 5. The 100 place values for all the 4 number is this. Okay, so children, now which one is smaller than 5? Which one is smaller than 5? Yeah, 3 and this one also. Okay, so the number is 1365 and 1356. Both the numbers, the 100 place value is same. Okay, so we can circle this number and this number also. So the 1365 and 1356 is smaller than 1536. Okay, ma? Now children, let's find the next question. That means circle the number which is greater than 3010. Okay, so here this is 4-digit number and the options all are also 4-digit number. So what do you want to do next? Check their thousand place value. The first number, the thousand place value is 3, and all the 4-digit numbers, the thousand place value is also 3. Okay, ma? So next, check the 100 place value. The first number, the 100 place value is 0. Here the options, the 100 place values for the first number is 1, and second number is 0, third number is 0, and fourth number is also 0. Okay, children? So which one is greater? Yeah, 1, isn't it, children? So we conclude that the 3100 is greater than 3010. Okay, ma? Next, children, again check their tens place value. Okay, so the first number, the tens place value is 0, and the second number, the tens place value is 2, and the third number, the tens place value is 0. Okay, children? So which one is greater than 1? Yeah, 2 is greater than 1. So again we conclude that the 3020 is greater than 3010. Okay, ma? Children, circle the numbers that are greater than 1225 and 1525. Okay, circle the numbers that are greater than 1225 and 1525. Here the options are all are 4-digit number, so you can check their thousand place value. The thousand place value for all the number is same. So go for the 100 place value. The 100 place values for the first number is 3. So which is greater than 2, which is less than 5. Okay, ma? This number is not a greater number. Okay, and next, children, check the next number. Okay, 1552. So here the 100 place value is 5, but for the first number, the 100 place value is 2. So which is greater? So 5 is greater. Okay, now check the next one. The 100 place value is 5. Here also the 100 place value is 5. So check their tens place value. The tens place value for this number is 5, and the tens place value for the given number is 2. Whether 5 is greater or 2 is greater? 5 is greater. Okay, ma? So the 1552 is greater than 1225 and 1525. Okay, children? Now let's check the next one. The 100 place value for the next number is 2, and the given number is 2. So this is same. Okay, now children, check the next number, next given number, that is 5. The 100 place value for the next given number is 5, but the options, number, the 100 place value is 2. Okay, so which one is greater? 5 is greater. This is small. Okay, so this number is not a greater number. Now check the next one. The 100 place value for this number is greater than 2. Okay, so check the next given number. The 100 place value for both the number is same. So check their tens place value. The tens place value for given number is 2, but the tens place value for the option number is 5. Okay, so which one is greater? 5 is greater. Okay ma? So 1555 is greater than 1225 and 1525. Okay ma? Now children, let's find, circle the numbers that are less than both 7405 and 8104. Okay children, here all the numbers have same digit, so you have to find the less number. Okay, so first find the highest place value. Here the highest place values for all the number is 1000 place value. Okay, the 1000 place values for the first number is 8 and second number is 7, third number is 8 and fourth number is also 7. Okay ma? Children, here compare these two numbers 7 and 8. Okay, so which one is small? 7. Okay ma? So children, in the options, which number is smaller than this 7? The two numbers have the same values, isn't it? So children, in the question, the 100 place values for the smallest number is 4, but here the 100 place values for the second number is 0 and the fourth number is also 0. Okay ma? So we conclude that the 7045 and 7054 is less than the 7405 and 8104. Okay ma? Okay children, in today's class we learned the comparisons of numbers. Okay, what is comparison? Yeah, we can compare two numbers to find which one is greater and which one is smaller and which one is equal. Okay ma? So we are using the sign greater than, less than and equal to. Okay children, and also we did some examples related to comparing numbers. Okay, so what is the first rule? Says that to find which one is greater and which one is smaller, yes, count the number of digit for both the numbers. If the both numbers have same digit, you can check their 1000 place values. Okay, so if the 1000 place values are same for both the numbers, then you can check the next highest place values. Okay ma? And if the next highest place value is also same, you can find the next highest place value, then continue till you reach the two digits that are different. Okay, then compare them. The number with the greater digit in the place that is finally compared will be the greater number. Okay ma? Okay children, this is the end of today's class. Bye and happy learning.